Okay, middle one here, let's take the degree of an equation or an inequality. Here, what is the definition of the degree of an equation? It's denoted by the highest power. It will take before the power is the smallest number over, we write it over the number or write it over the symbol. Here of the unknown symbols. Okay, about this one. In the inequality or in the equation, here mention the degree. How can I find the degree of the unknowns of each of the following? Here we have x plus 13 equal 1. How can I get the degree of this equation? First, I will look at the symbol. We don't look at the numbers. We look at the symbols. Here, what is the power of x at the first example? Here we have x plus 13 equal 2. We said before, any number without power, we can put power 1. So here it's from the first degree, because here it had power 1. So here x power 1 means from the first degree. Number B, 3x power 2 minus 7 equal 4. Here the power of x is 2. So it's from the second degree. Number C, 4y power 3 minus 4x power 2. Here we have y power 3 and x power 2. I will take the highest power. Which one is the highest? Yes, power 3. So this equation is from the third degree. Y minus 4 less than 2. Here this one, y without any power. So y will be power 1. That's right. So here it's from the first degree. 4x power 3 minus 5x power 4 equal 8. Here we have x power 3, x power 4. Which one is greater? That's right, power 4 is greater. So here it's from the fourth degree. Number F, 7x minus 3y greater than or equal to 5. Here I have x power 1, y power 1. So this one from the first degree, I will take the highest, but both of them are equal to, so it will be from the first degree. Let's solve here the equations. Here we have some of the equations and I need to solve it. All of them belong to z and some of them belong to n. Take care from x belong to z or belong to n. For the first one here we have 3x minus 2 equal to 7. How can I get x? Here I have 3x minus 2 equal to 7. First, I must here change the place of plus or minus before we change the place of times or divided. Here I have minus 2. I will take it to the other side by changing the sign. Minus becomes plus in the other side. So it will be 3x equal to 7. And here we change here the place of negative 2 to be in the other side plus 2. And then it will be 3x equals 9. So again, first I will change the place of the negative into b in the other side as a positive. So here's 3x equal 9. I search about x. Here is the first part of the question. 3x equal 9. Then the second part, I need here to change the place of 3. I will put it in the other place. What is the meaning of 3x? It's mean 3 times x. So here to change the place of 3 to be divided. If I have plus, be minus, minus, be plus, times will be divided and the divided will be times. So here if I change here the place of 3, it will be with the divided. So here x equals 9 divided 3. So here x equals 3. Here is the solution set. Okay. In number 2 here we have 4x plus 1 equals 17. Here you ask about the solution set. So here before we finish, we must write here the SS, the solution set equals, open two braces and write here 3. Okay. Let's see here 4x plus 1 equals 17. But here we have x belonging to n. That's mean here the result it must be natural number 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Here 4x plus 1 equals 17. We said before, first I will take here the plus, put it in the other place and change the sign to be minus. It will be 4x equal 17 minus 1. So here 4x equals 16. Here is the first part of the question. Then what is the meaning of 4x? 4 times x. I need to change here the place of 4, put it in the other place, and change from times into divided. So x equal 16 divided by 4. So x equals 4. That's mean the solution set equals open to braces and write 4. Let's take number 3. Here we have 6x plus 7 equals 25, and the results belong to n. Okay. Okay, let's remove this and write another one. Here we have 6x plus 7 equal 25. Here first I will change here the place of the plus, put in the other place with minus. Here it will be 6x equals 25 minus 7. So here 6x equals 18. And then change here the place of 6, because here 6x means 6 times x. It will be x equal 18 divided by 6. So x equals 3. So here the solution set equals 3. Let's take number 4. Here we have 4. 8x plus 12 equals 4, and x belongs to z. 8x plus 12 equals 4. I will take here plus 12, put it in the other side, change here the plus into minus. 8x equals 4 minus 12. It will be 8x equals negative 8. Take care from the order. Here 4 minus 12. Okay? Here 8x equal minus 8. Here the first step. The second step, I will change here the times into divided. It will be x equals negative 8 divided 8. So x equals 1. So here negative 1. So here the solution set equals negative 1. Here we belong to z. So this answer is acceptable. But if we said for you x belong to n and I have a negative, so here the solution set will be 5. Okay, let's take another one. Here we have 3x minus 13 equal 21. X minus 13, 3x minus 13 equal 26, and x belongs to z. Here I will take minus, look in the other side, change the sign. 3x equal 26 plus 13. So here 3x equal 39. And then change here 3 to the other side by making divided. X equal 39 divided by 3. So here it's equal 13. So the solution set of into braces 13. Okay, let's solve number 6. Here we have 5x plus 2 minus 8. 5x plus 2 equals negative 8, where x belongs to n. Here I will take plus 2, put it in the other side by making minus. So here 5x equals negative 8 minus 2. So 5x equals negative 10. Here change here the place of 5. X equal negative 10 divided by 5 equals negative 2. So here the solution set will be negative 2, wrong. Why wrong? Because here I have a negative 2 and they said for you x belongs to n. Negative 2 belongs to z, not belongs to n. So here the solution set will be phi, or we can write it as an empty braces. So take care from the equation belong to n or belong to x. Okay, let's complete, or belong to z. Here we have 2x plus 9 equal negative 23. Here x belongs to z. That's mean here if the number is positive or negative, so the solution set we can write it. Here 2x equals negative 3, negative 23. Here I will change here plus 9 to be minus 9. It will be 2x equals negative 32. Here change 2 to be by divided. It will be x equals negative 32 divided by 2 equals negative 16. Here belong to z. So the solution set equal, open the braces and write 16, negative 16. Okay, let's solve here the last one. 3x minus 2 equals negative 19, and we are belong to z. So here 3x minus 2 equal negative 19. The first step, take minus, put in the other place by changing the sign from minus into plus. It will be 3x equals negative 19 plus 2. Here 3x equals negative 17. And then we change the 3 to be divided. X equals negative 17 divided by 3. Okay, Mr. Here, negative 17 divided by 3, we can. So it will still as a fraction. This fraction belongs to z? No. So here the solution set also will be 5. That's right. Okay. Okay, here find the solution set of each of the following inequalities. Then we present the solution set on the number line. Okay, let's solve here the inequality to have the same steps, like positive becomes negative in the other side, minus becomes plus, times becomes divided, and divided becomes times, and have the same rules, but we have just a small difference between them. Okay, here we have 2x plus 1 smaller than 7, where x belongs to n. Okay, let's see. Here first I will take here plus 1, put in the other side by making minus. So here it will be 2x smaller than 7 minus 1, it will be 6. Because here plus becomes minus. Okay, 7 minus 1 equal 6. And then I will take 2 to put in the other side by making divided. X less than 6 divided 2, it will be becomes a 3. Okay, so here x is smaller than 3 and x belongs to n. What is the numbers in belong to n smaller than 3? Yes, so here I can find that the solution set equal to 2, 1, 0 only. I will not take negative because here x belongs to n. To represent on the number line, as we take before the number line, we will write here, and we will make it the number line, and put here 0, here, or here 0. Here 1, here 2, here negative 1, negative 2, but here I don't need negative. Here put points at 0, points at 1, and points at 2. So here the represent, we can use it, the ruler, to make here the number line and leave 1 centimeter between each number and the next one. Okay, let's complete. Here let's take number 2. In number 2 here we have 2x minus 3 smaller than 5. X belongs to z. Here we have 2x minus 3 less than 5, where x belongs to z. The same steps, take negative 3 on the other side by making a plus. 2x less than 5 plus 3. So here 2x less than 8. And then take 2, make divided. Will be x less than 8 divided by 2, so x less than 4. So here the solution set will be what? Here we belong to z. So here what are the numbers less than 4? 3, 2, 1, 0, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, and so on. So here I will put 3 points to make it so on, because here I don't have n for it because it's belong to z. Here to make the number line, here we will draw here the number line. Here we have 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, negative 1, and negative 2, and so on. Here I will make represent for 3, 2, 1, and make here a line and draw the eye. Okay. Let's take number 3. I I think it's easy now to make the number line and get the solution set of any equation and any inequality. Okay, let's solve the next one. Here we have 4x plus 2 greater than negative 10. Here you can solve quickly and try to be faster than me and check your answer. Here 4x plus 2 greater than or equal to negative 10. We will take plus 2 to the other side and change the sign to negative. 4x greater than negative 10 minus 2. So here 4x greater than or equal to negative 10 minus 2 equal negative 12. Then I will take 4 and will put it in the other side by changing from times into divided. So here x greater than negative 12 divided 4. So here x greater than or equal to negative 3. Here what are the numbers? Belonging to z greater than or equal to negative 3. So here the solution set equal to, I need greater than negative 3 or equal to. Or equal to, that means I will take negative 3, then take the greatest. Negative 2, negative 1, and so on. Okay, is it clear? Your answer is right? Okay, let's take another one. Here in number 4, I have 3x minus 5 smaller than 4, where x belongs to z. Okay, here 3x minus 5 smaller than or equal to 4, where x belongs to z. Okay, I will take all of the numbers. Here negative 5, put it in the other place and change it into plus 3x smaller than or equal to 4 plus 5 equals 9. We'll change the 3 to the other place and make it by divided. X smaller than or equal to 9 divided 3. So here x less than or equal to 3. Here x belongs to z. Let's see here the solution set equal to 3, 2, 1, and so on. Here the solution set. Okay, let's complete. Let's take question number 5. Here we have 3x plus 2. 3x plus 2 less than or equal to 11, where x belongs to n. Care from n. Here I will take positive 2 on the other side, change the sign from plus into minus. It will be 3x smaller than or equal to 11 minus 2 equal 9. Change the 3 to the other side by making it divided. So x less than 9 divided 3 equals 3. So here x less than or equal to 3. So here the solution set equal or in braces or equal to means I will take 3. What are the numbers less than x? Less than 3, 2, 1, 0 only. Why I will not take negative? Because x belongs to n. Okay, let's take number 6. 9 minus 6x less than or equal to 15. Here 9 minus 6x less than 15. Okay, here first I must make here x in the positive position. So here I will make 9 and take here minus 6x, put in the other place to change its sign and replace it with 15 to change its place. So here it will be 9 minus 15 less than 6x. And then here 9 minus 15 equals negative 6 less than 6x. Then I will take 6 to the other place by making divided. So negative 6 divided 6 less than x. So here x is greater than negative 1. Here x greater than negative 1. What are the numbers of x greater than negative 1 where x belongs to z? So here the solution set equals braces. I need numbers greater than negative 1. It will be 0, 1, 2, and so on. Number 7. Let's solve. Try to be faster than me. Here I have 3x minus 5 smaller than or equal to 7, where x belongs to z positive. Okay, this one is z positive. That's meaning all of the number in positive except 0. Here's 3x. I will change here negative 5 in the other place by making the plus. It's equal to 12. here x smaller than or equal to, take 3, put it in the other side by making divided. 12 divided 3 equal 4. So here x less than or equal to 4. So here the solution set equal to, I need the numbers less than 4 or equal to. So I will take 4 less than 23, 2, 1, and I will not take 0 or negative because here he said for you x belong to z positive only. Okay, let's solve here the last question. Here I have 1 minus 8 less than 33. Here I will make the same step. Here 1 minus 8x less than 33. Here I will take negative 8 and put in the other side, or I can solve it by another way. Okay, how can we solve it with another way? Take care about this. Here I have 1 minus 8x less than 33. Look, I will make what? I will take 1 with the positive sign and put on the other side by making minus. So here the remainder on the left side, negative 8x, because negative it's for 8, not for 1. Less than 33 minus 1 equals 32. And then take care. If you take negative and make divided by negative, like x less than 32 divided negative 8. Here we have the change in the sign. X will be greater than negative 4. Take care about this. If we make divided by negative, we must change from smaller into greater or from greater into smaller. Again, if we make divided with a negative integer, that's mean here we will change the sign from greater into smaller or from smaller into greater. So here the solution set equal to, here I need the numbers greater than negative 4, it will be negative 3, negative 2, and so on, negative 1, 0, so on. Okay?